Hi, welcome to the Commercial Gas Engineer channel. I'm just going to look at 5 books that there are for commercial gas engineers. I have one of them and I would like your opinion, if you have the others, what you think about the book. So the one that I have myself is commercial. It's Gas Safety Training Manual. It's by Logic. You can get it for £49.50 on the Logic for Trade website. I've used this book and I think it's quite good. The good and bad about it, I couldn't really go into much detail because I can't compare it to anything else. So I think it's got good illustrations and it's detailed and quite well laid out. So let me know what you think about this book if you have it. I think it's also important that we have our manuals and that we read them. Don't depend on my opinion, because I'm not a trainer, a gas trainer. I do have some experience teaching, but I'm not a qualified teacher. I'm MVQ level 3 plumber and I'm a gas safe registered commercial and domestic engineer, and I have a good amount of experience. But do not take my opinion as gospel, okay? Look in your book, nor take anyone else's opinion, even your colleagues. Listen to them and take their advice with a pinch of salt, but know where your manual is and where your regs are and your information. And having your gas books are one of those things that you can hold on to. Okay, so here is one of them. Another one is Viper Gas, $69.99 on the Viper website. I also saw one on eBay. I've had a domestic Viper book and I recall it being good, so let me know if you have this manual. Also, you've got the NICEIC Commercial Gas Safety On-Site Guide. It looks like it comes in 2 parts, and this one here in particular was on eBay for £55 and delivery of £4.25, but you may be able to get it on the company's website. Commercial Heating Manual by Corgi. So this used to be the old gas governing body. Now it's Gas Safe, but Corgi used to be the governing body for gas, for sort of certification or registration. So you know how you have Gas Safe register? Well, Corgi used to do it. This book here I haven't used, but if you have, let me know what you think of it. Here it is for $29.99 on the Corgi website. And then last of all, this is Tolley's Industrial and Commercial Gas Installation Practice by John Hazelhurst. So I haven't seen this one either. Let me know if you've got it and what you think about it. They have a Kindle edition there and also a hard cover for £80.29. Let me know your opinion on these books, if you know where to get them at a better price and so on. Okay, thank you for joining me. Keep your head in your gas book. Okay, until next time, bye.